NC Piedmont Outdoors presents the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone review.
So also while we're here at the campsite this time, Pizzazz57 has purchased for himself the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, as you see here. So he got this and he got his license to be able to fly it, so that's kind of cool. But here's kind of, just put it together to kind of show me what it looks like, because I don't own a drone and I've never seen one before. But this one, so here's like the drone itself, and you can see the camera on the front, and then he added these bumper pieces so that you don't, if you fly into something, just bumps into this, obviously doesn't smash up your propellers there. So comes in different carrying bags to store it. He got the 3 battery charger here that plugs in and charges your battery, and then it also has a USB out, so it can, at the same time you're charging your batteries, you could also be charging your controller, which is here. So this is the controller for this particular drone. Here's the neck strap, so you can kind of strap that around his neck while he's controlling it. So this is one of the things we're going to use and take some shots with while we're here. So really looking forward to seeing this thing fly and seeing what kind of footage we can get from it. So actually really kind of cool. So I don't know if anybody else uses a drone, when they're out camping, takes some shots, drop some comments. If you own this particular one or have some questions about it, just shoot a comment about it and I'll get it to my buddy over here, and I'm sure he can try to answer it for you. So all right, well, we'll be having some more stuff for you soon.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641. If you're interested in NC Piedmont Outdoors or Slammer Series apparel, please visit our store on Teespring. The link is available in the description box.
Okay, so here's the drone. We're going to try to take it up for a little test flight.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, twitches.
Alright, it's turned on, ready to go. See the flashing lights?
Going to its diagnostics. Alright, so that's what it sees.
Okay. Alright. Very cool. Alright. What's up there? That's very cool. Alright, now I gotta go be a spotter.
And here's some drone footage of Chihuahua Point Campground over Lake Santilla. Music provided by Jeff Harvey from Pixabay. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.